See that? That is this evening's goal. It's amazing to me how fast the day has gone. Today is Saturday, March the 15th, 2025, and I am going to help my wonderful wife harvest these beautiful bananas as part of today's Move Your Body activity. I trust you're having a really great weekend. Looking forward to hearing what you're doing, GenX Queen. And I'm also looking forward to sharing with you the harvest and also my Fitbit numbers at the end of the day. All right, a hui hou for now. Stay tuned. This is gonna be an awesome one. Yay!